I hope I don't get pulled over by the police. I do not want to go to jail behind this. Welcome back. It's another episode with your main man, Really Rails, and I did something fantastic to the Camaro, and I couldn't wait to show you guys. I think you're really gonna like it. It's something different. I've seen it before, but this is got a little bit of jazz to it. You dig what I'm saying? I did it last night, but I didn't get a chance to do the video last night, so I said as soon as I get the opportunity today, I'm gonna definitely show you guys what I did to it. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube, The Really Rails. Hit the subscribe button down below, and also hit that notification bell right there so that we can get you notified on all new posts. When I do something new, I'm gonna have some giveaways here in the near future, so make sure you hit that notification bell because you don't know which video is gonna be in, but I think I'm gonna do it soon. I'm gonna do a nice giveaway. A shout out to Solid Brand Apparel for sponsoring my channel and me and everything that I'm doing. I'm gonna be working on a giveaway with Solid Brand Apparel, so their information is linked down below, their social media, website, so forth and so on. So I got this dope baseball, I guess they call it a 3/4 sleeve shirt on today, Solid Racing shirt. So check the stuff out that they got online. I'm pretty sure you're gonna find something there that you like or whatnot, because I know I did. Found a couple of things, gonna go back on and order some more stuff. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now, the only thing is, I hope I don't get pulled over by the police. I do not want to get a ticket, or I do not want to go to jail behind this. So, as you can see, I illuminated the floorboards of the car. That's the passenger side, and that's the driver's side. The actual LEDs are up underneath. Let's see, can I get y'all down there to check it out? So you see the LED strip right there? It's up underneath there. There's a multitude of colors. The beautiful thing is that there's an app on my phone that I actually use to control which one, what I want them to do, how I want them to dance. Like for instance, right now they're blue, and just say I want them to strobe. I just hit the strobe feature, and I'm not sure. Yeah, you can see it on this one a little bit better. You know, it's strobing pretty quick, but I can slow the speed down. So the speed is slowed down on the strobe. You see what I'm saying? So now, if I want to go back to glow, and now I want to change the color, I want to change it to red. So now I got it red. And you know, I'm just confirming everything on the app, whatever color I want. Or I might want it to go through a prism of colors, all the colors. So once I hit prism, it just starts going through all the different colors. Yeah, y'all see I got the bread 4s on today. Love them, my favorite Jordans. But back to the subject. You see it's going into a pinkish purplish, and then you know it red, it just hits all the prism, all the colors in the color prism. And a dope feature is that you can also have it go to the beat of the music, which I can't right now. I'm not gonna play anybody else's music because I don't want to have to worry about the clearing and all of that stuff. But it'll beat to the music. You can cycle through all the colors. You could change the speed, so forth, so on. What else they got? They got fade, where it just fades in and fades out of whatever color you got it set on. Like I said, I can go back and swap out the colors, and then if I want to hit blue, you see it change to blue. If I want to go green, it goes to green. We got yellow. Like I said, you got pink down here. I like, since I got red accents on the car, I like to do red. So, but it does, I'm not gonna lie, when I'm riding at night, I will put it to the indigo blue, which matches the actual the gauge cluster lights in the car. So I do different things like that to it or whatever. So I think it's a really, really dope, especially at night. It looks amazing at night. So if y'all catch me out riding, I'm gonna always definitely have them on. So I'm hoping that I don't get in trouble with having the blue going or the red. If y'all think that there might be an issue, make sure you let me know down. Let me know down in the comments what you think might be my trouble colors as far as dealing with the police and stuff like that. And I really don't want to, deal with too much extra attention. I got my windows tinted so it won't be like bright flashing outside of the window and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So like I said, I think it's pretty dope. I just love the the illumination, and like I said, at night it's like 10 times better. Definitely appreciate y'all taking the time today to check the video out. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, share with your family, your friends, everybody, because we're gonna have a lot more going on. Like I said, there are gonna be several giveaways that we're doing with Solid Brand Apparel, and there's some other people that we've been talking to here in the near future. So definitely stay tuned for everything that we got going on, because we're gonna be doing a lot of giveaways, and I mean a lot. So stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and tell everybody about what we got going on the channel. Like I said, this is not just car mods. This is not just car talk. We also do light talk. I like to give that motivation. Everybody needs a little pick me up every now and again. With that said, my message today: there are going to be a lot of people that are going to be happy with your success until it becomes bigger than their success. Once it becomes bigger than their success, they're gonna have to start dialing back from it, because they feel like they're contributing too much to your success. That's what we go wrong in. If you have a platform, an entity, a business, or whatever, there's something that doesn't cost you a dime. Promote your brother, your cousin, your sister. Like me, anytime my brother's got something going on, like my brother E-Vapors, definitely go check my brother E-Vapors out on his channel. I'm gonna put his YouTube link down below. Anytime you have a platform and someone that you genuinely consider your friend or family, and that platform could also jumpstart them, but you refuse to do it because you're scared that their success is gonna go a little bit higher than your success, that's where the problem lies for a lot of people nowadays. So I'll tell you this: if there's anybody out there that I can help with my platform, contact me, let me know. It ain't gonna cost you nothing. If you need to stand on my shoulders to see further, holler at me. It won't cost you a thing. If it's not costing me, why should it cost you? I understand that there are different avenues of business, but for the people that I genuinely consider my friends, my family, I won't charge you nothing. On that note, your main man Relly Rails is signing out. Don't forget, like I said, go follow me on all social media platforms, also YouTube, The Relly Rails. You can catch me on Instagram at The Relly Rails also. And I will definitely have something in store for you guys coming soon. So stay tuned, hit the notification icon, and I got you. I'm up out of here, always 100, bro.